Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a team on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Call of Duty game on your device and you will be asked to log into your account using your credentials if you haven't done so already. After logging in using your credentials, you will end up within this homepage from which you can directly start joining other players by tapping on the join option at the bottom section. You can also tap on team up if you wish to team up with anyone based on a match that you host. Just choose your match type and then you can choose what kind of participants you want to select. You can then tap on the send option and all of the players that you selected will receive an invite. You can also tap on each of these game modes and then directly tap on the start button after choosing your desired map, and you will automatically be paired with various teams based on your individual ranks. Now you can also become a member of a team, which is also called clan, from the homepage by clicking on the clan menu. Once you tap on this, if you haven't already joined one, you will see various different clans that you can join. Just tap on whichever clan you want to join and then tap on the request button, and then you will become a member of that clan and you can play with various other players from this team. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a team within the Call of Duty mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.